Okay, today we are going to install the Footprints Mobile Data Managed package. And you can see I'm logged into one of our test developer orgs here. I'm going to go over to a new tab in that browser and paste the download link. And here we go. So this is actually technically an upgrade. So I'm going to go ahead and just click through some of the instructions here. And it's upgrading, and whether you're installing or upgrading for the first time, this flow will be the same. And so while it's doing that, I'm going to simply pause the video. Okay, and you can see that the upgrade is complete. I will click Done, and here you are. You can see the Footprints Managed package. And what we'll do is we're actually going to go and add this to our tabs by selecting on Footprints Data Gems, adding it here, and let's see, we'll move it right over here, save it, and now you can see the Footprints Data Gems tab. We'll click on that, and here we are. And I'll stop this video. In our next video, we'll go through how to create your very first account snapshot Footprints Data Gem.